Hey guys, welcome back to yet another episode of the Spoon Fed Med, where I explain medical concepts in less than 5 minutes. Energy sources during fasting is a repeatedly tested topic, and it's very important to learn and revise the number of hours for each kind of fasting. First, we have the early fasting that occurs between 4 to 16 hours. Here, glycogen is the main energy source, which is produced by glycogenolysis, which occurs mainly in the liver. Next, we have fasting, which is between 16 to 48 hours. In this, two processes occur. First is the gluconeogenesis, and second is the beta oxidation of fatty acids. In gluconeogenesis, new glucose is formed, while in beta oxidation of fatty acid is oxidized to produce ATP and acetyl coenzyme A, which are the products of beta oxidation of fatty acids. And this in turn, the acetyl coenzyme A in turn stimulates an enzyme called pyruvate carboxylase, which is an enzyme for gluconeogenesis. Hence, it is indirectly stimulating gluconeogenesis as well. Third, in the prolonged fasting, we have two processes that occur. First is the hydrolysis of the triacylglycerol in the adipose tissue. It is important to remember that prolonged fasting is also known as starvation and occurs between 2 to 5 days. This timeline is very important. In prolonged fasting, we also have ketone body synthesis. Now, it's important to remember that the ketone body synthesis occurs due to the fatty acid oxidation that had occurred here. It provides the substrate for the ketone body synthesis, which is the acetyl coenzyme A. Next, we have the prolonged starvation, which occurs after more than 5 days. In prolonged starvation, it's important to note that all the pathways, that is fatty acid oxidation, the levels of acetyl coenzyme A, ketone body synthesis, all these pathways tend to decrease in prolonged starvation due to exhaustion of the substrates. And what increases is muscle proteolysis occurs. It is increased, leading to cachexia. And one last point to remember is that the fatty acid oxidation and acetyl coenzyme A, ketone body synthesis, all these normally inhibit proteolysis. But when their levels tend to decrease, as in prolonged starvation, the muscle proteolysis is not inhibited anymore, and hence it is increased and cachexia takes place. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.